And we are back here at this Royal Rumble match. It's pretty intense when Triple H and Shawn Michaels are talking, but Undertaker comes, breaks him up. Carlito switches rings, dives over there. Whoa, what's going on in the other ring now? Wait, what's up with that van there? Whoa, could there be someone in it or something? How is he driving it? Whoa! Hornswoggle! Comes, dives at him. Whoa, he's working on Edge. He throws Edge out. There goes Edge. See ya. Whoa. He grabs Shawn Michaels, throws him into Hornswoggle. Hornswoggle's down. Those two fighting over there, but now we're switching rings. Show you what's going on in this ring. Kane was back, and he's coming over here. Whoa. This is pretty intense. Oh, Sandman working on him. Whoa, there goes Sandman. Goldust, throws Brian Kendrick. Whoa. But what's this? He grabs Triple H, brings him over on this ring, starts beating him up. There goes Shawn Michaels. Wait, but he's not out. Whoa, Undertaker thinks he's out, so he's switching over here. There goes Triple H. Whoa. Whoa. There goes Undertaker. Oh, those two are fighting. And then Shawn Michaels comes. Sweet Chin Music to Heidelberg. Grabs Carlito. He throws him. Oh, but he doesn't even get out. Kicks Chris Masters, but there goes Shawn Michaels, but he stays in again. Oh, takes him down. Tommy Dreamer. No. Oh, he hangs on. Spear. There goes Carlito. Boom. Goldust is out. Jack Swagger hangs on. Brian Kendrick is out. Festus. Oh, he does not regain his belt. There comes Tommy Dreamer. He comes. Oh, there he goes, Tommy Dreamer. Whoa. Chris Masters picks up Hornswoggle, throws him at Shawn Michaels, but he's not out. He's not out. Pushes Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels is out. Chris Masters showing off. I am the masterpiece. Whoa! There goes Chris Masters. Hornswoggle thinks he's the only one left, because he forgot about the other ring and he doesn't see Elijah Burke. Whoa! There goes Carlito. Whoa! There goes The Miz. See, both of them out. Whoa, but Jack Swagger. Kane over in the other ring. Whoa! Hornswoggle. Whoa! Whoa, there goes Hornswoggle, but he hangs on. He is under. Whoa! Oh, he takes him. He just totally gets him. Oh! Both going for him. Jack Swagger! Is he the winner? Wait, but Kane is holding on. Kane is still in. Kane is going to get old Jack Swagger here. No! Oh, but Kane pushes Jack Swagger over. Wait! Hornswoggle! Hornswoggle's the winner! Give him his belt! Here is your winner, Hornswoggle. That's the end of the match. We'll see you next time. Good night, everybody.